Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. My name is Muhammad Noman. How are you, my dear students? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to Advanced English Grammar. Today we are going to talk about here some more indefinite pronouns. Some indefinite pronouns we discussed in the previous classes. Some of them they were singular, some of them they were plural indefinite pronouns. But here some indefinite pronouns are here which take sometimes singular verbs and sometimes plural words. It depends on the context, in which context they are used in. First, we have to know the indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun does not refer to a specific person, place, or thing. Whenever we are using the indefinite pronoun in a sentence, it means not specific, general, uncertain. We are not going to specify any specific person, place, or thing in a sentence. We are not going to indicate or target any specific person, place, or thing. We generalize something. We are using the indefinite pronoun in general sense. One cannot understand what does he mean by using these indefinite pronouns. Okay. There are few pronouns, they take sometimes singular and sometimes plural verbs depending on the context. One thing is here that is very important. The pronoun does not come for itself. It comes for the noun. If a noun is singular, the verb must be singular. If a noun is plural, the verb must be plural. It depends on the context. Now look at here. These are the indefinite pronouns. Some, any, none, all, most. What is the acronym of this? SANAM. A stands for some, A stands for any, N stands for none, A stands for all, and M stands for some. These are the indefinite pronouns which take singular as well as plural verbs. It depends on the context. Now let's see here. Some examples are here. Some of the sugar is available there. Now look at here. Some has used here, is has used here for some. Why? Why some takes here singular verb? Because here is uncountable noun, which cannot be sugar is a singular noun, which cannot be counted. And countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, and they have singular and plural form as well. And uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted, and it doesn't have any plural form. Sugar is considered as a singular noun. It cannot be counted. For uncountable nouns, we use singular verb. You cannot say one sugar, two sugars, three sugars, four sugars. Not at all. You cannot say here. Some has used here for singular verb. Some of the sugar is, not are. Some of the sugar is available there. No, with uncountable nouns use singular verb. With countable noun we use plural words. Some of the boys have not yet arrived. Plural verb. Why boys? Plural verb, plural noun. It is counted. Plural and countable noun. Have has used for some because it is countable noun. Some of the boys have not yet arrived. Now some of the sugar is available. Now here some it has used for have. Have has used for some and is has used for some. What is the difference between these two sentences? Now here is a countable noun and here is uncountable noun. With uncountable noun we use singular verb. With countable noun we use plural verb. All of the boys were present there. Now look at here, boys is countable. With countable nouns we use plural verb. And were has used for all here. For countable nouns, which is countable, which is plural. For plural countable we use here the plural verbs. Now here also we use have here has used for boys, which is countable and plural noun. All of the boys were present there. All of his honesty is deception. There also is has used here because honesty is a uncountable noun. All of his honesty, yes, and most of the students are correct. Now here countable noun and we used here the plural verb. Correct. Most of the student was in the room when the bell rang. So this is the difference. Sometimes we use the indefinite pronouns for sometimes the indefinite pronouns they take singular verb and sometimes they take plural words. It depends on the context. In which context they are used. Here boys is plural, so we use have with some. Here sugar is uncountable, we use is for some. And here word we use for countable nouns, boys, which is counted, and all were has used here for all. And here uncountable noun is has used here for all singular verb. So this was the today class about the singular and the plural verbs. I hope you will have gotten these points. Thanks a lot of you. Thanks a bundle. My channel name is Spread the Useful Knowledge. Subscribe my channel and share these videos with your friends, relatives, and with your friends. Thanks a lot of you. Thanks a bundle.